Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting power to the trailer and locating the failure. Park level, chalk wheels, then connect the trailer and turn on the truck lights so circuits are live. Use a helper to operate lights or check with a 12V test light or multimeter at the trailer plug to confirm voltage. Once you see which circuits lack power, unclip the harness cover and visually inspect for corroded pins, crushed cables, or loose grounds before proceeding. Once you identify the dead circuit, trace the wire from the plug toward the lights while testing continuity so you know where the break is. Cut back to clean, solid wire, strip ends, and solder a proper butt connection, then cover with heat shrink to seal. This prevents future corrosion. If the plug or connector is severely corroded, replace it using correct 7- or 4-way pin mapping. Make sure grounds are intact. Poor grounding is a common. After making repairs, reconnect the harness and systematically test turn, stop, and running lights so you confirm each circuit works under load. If a specific lamp still fails, remove the lens and test the socket and bulb for continuity and a solid ground. Replace bulbs or sockets as needed. If problems persist, connect the trailer to a known good tow vehicle or apply bench 12V to isolate whether the trailer or the truck wiring is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.